student. How are you? I hope you all are fine and fit at your home. Children, this is your GK book. So, today we will study by this book. Okay? So, take out your book and open page number 3. Okay? In our previous class, we have studied this page, all about me. So today we will study this page, our body parts. Okay? So on this page you have to write the date also, 14-4-2021. Okay, now without wasting our time, let's start our class, children. You can see what are these fingers. Fingers, fingers. Palm, palm. Hand, hand. You can see this is our hand. Neck, neck. This is our neck. Chest, chest. Waist, waist. Leg, leg. Now elbow, elbow. elbow, elbow. elbow किसको कहते हैं बेटा? कोहनी को. ओके. shoulder, shoulder. Okay, then stomach, stomach. stomach. Now foot, foot. foot. Now thumb. जो हैंड में हमारे अंगूठा होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? थंब. thumb. Now thigh, thigh. thigh. knee, knee. Let us say one more time. Fingers. Say after me, children. Fingers, palm. Fingers किसको कहते हैं? उंगलियों को. palm means ये आपका जो पार्ट होता है हथेली. ओके. सो fingers, palm, hand, leg, neck, chest, waist, elbow, shoulders, stomach, foot, thumb, thigh, knee. Okay, let us say one more time. Fingers, palm, hand, leg, elbow, foot, thumb, thigh, knee. Neck, chest, waist, shoulder and stomach. So in this way you have to learn these body parts. Now let us see the questions. How many hands do you have? आपके कितने hands हैं बेटा? Yes, very good. Say the answer. 2. What will be the answer? 2. How many hands do you have? 2. How many hands do you have? 2. Next question. How many fingers do you have? 10. How many fingers do you have? 10. Next question. What do you do with your legs? So what you do? Yes, I walk with my legs. I walk with my legs. Next question. Where do you put your shoes on? Where do you put your shoes on? Foot. Where do you put your shoes on? Foot. Now one more time we will repeat. How many hands do you have? 2. How many hands do you have? 2. How many fingers do you have? 10. How many fingers do you have? 10. What do you do with your legs? Walk. What do you do with your legs? Walk. And where do you put your shoes on? Foot. Where do you put your shoes on? Foot. Okay, children? So in this way you have to learn these body parts and these question answers also. So till then, bye children. Have a nice day.